Splunk SPL series introduces the return command. The return command controls what values are returned from subsearches for use in the main search. Understanding this command is key to advanced Splunk search optimization. The return command in Splunk SPL is used within subsearches. It specifies which fields and how many results from the subsearch should be passed back to the main search for filtering or processing. This improves efficiency and control over search results. The basic syntax of the return command begins with a subsearch followed by the return command. It can specify a number of results to return and a list of fields. The format is subsearch pipe return, followed by an optional number and optional field list. The return command limits the number of results returned from a subsearch. It controls which fields from the subsearch are available to the main search. By default, it returns up to 100 results with all fields included. In this example, the main search indexes security events. The subsearch looks for the user Alice, counts events by source, and returns only 5 source values to the main search. This restricts the number of results passed back. Here the main search indexes web events. The subsearch filters for status 404 errors, counts events by URI, and returns only the URI field values. This example shows how to return specific fields from subsearches. Use the return command in subsearches when you need to control the output passed back to the main search. It is ideal for limiting fields or results and helps optimize searches by avoiding unnecessary data transfer and processing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.